Alright guys, we got our fruit here ready to go. We have our mango, strawberries. We got our pineapple juice. Wow, well there is some juice in there, so. But yeah, we got our pineapple here. Then we got our nice little watermelon. I love this watermelon. It's so sweet. It's delicious. It's tiny. It's perfect for me. And I got the cucumber here. It looks decent. We just gotta wash everything, get everything ready, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, we're gonna start with our basic fruits here. Gonna cut these up real quick. Like I said, they do have a little funky face, but it's okay. It doesn't mean they're nasty. They're still perfectly fine, as you can see. We're gonna cut these up. I mean, you can cut these up in any shape you like. It's just all to preference. You can do this cut. You can also do these, the little rounds. We're gonna put these like this, however you like. Boom, we got these little cute stuffs right here. Just depending on the shape of your strawberry, you could do, you know, whichever cut pleases you. Here we go. So we got our strawberries here, ready to go. I'm gonna get the other ones going. Ready. Meanwhile, everything's gonna be going into the fridge. That way it can stay cool. And yeah, so let's get to the next fruit. Right, up next we got our mango. Yes, the mango also doesn't have a good look to it. Try to get where the seed is this way. Vertically parallel. I don't know how to describe it, but you know what I'm talking about. Where your seed, you know, the seed is like a straight seed. So here, so let's get over it. And try to get as much mango as you can. So what I like to do is grab my mango, this half. Don't go too far down, all the way just to the skin, barely, slightly. Okay, as you can see, boom, you got that right there. But what I also like to do is grab a wide enough spoon that I can use so I can scoop it out completely, almost all the way down to the skin. I also like to enjoy my mango this way, and I can use this as my little bowl. But today we're not going to use that. And look, it's super easy to grab. You got yourself a fork or whatever you like to use, a pick. Boom, you got it. We got our pineapple here. This is going to be the fun part. Hopefully I get this right. I'll be using this gadget here. It's a pineapple scooper, cylinder, cutter. I don't know what you call it, but anyway, I'm gonna use that to get all the fruit out of here. But let's get to it. All right, let's not pay attention to this. Let's not mind that. It's okay. It's okay. You know what I mean? So let's start here. And it's actually not too bad to use this. It's really easy. So you just press in there, and then you start turning it around, spinning this. Okay, here we go. And you gotta kind of press it down because you can think that it's already all the way at the bottom, but it's not. That happened to me last time, so try to get. Oh, see, I think I'm cutting a little over this way, or maybe it's just the juice coming out. Okay, maybe I won't go all the way down, but here we go. Watch this. Watch this. Wow, look at all that. Wow. Oh, come on. Come out. It's like suctioned in there. I'm trying not to, like, breathe so hard here. Come on. Oh, wow. Here we go. Look, I got some juice in there. We'll come back to that. This one went a little bit easier, smoother. All right. We're gonna cut a little bit on either side. So then that's gonna be our top side. And then just to make it a little flattening part over here, we're just gonna slightly cut it. Actually, let me try to get this a little bit straighter here. Here we go. Let's see how it looks. Whoa, this is so freaking cool. It's so smooth. Whoa, so sick. Just a tad bit more, because we don't want to get all the way down to the bottom. As you remember, we made openings, so we don't want the juices to flow out. Whoa. This, we can just, boom, open. Easy peasy. As far as the pineapple, yeah, I'm gonna struggle with that a little bit. But for the watermelon, it was pretty smooth. Let's see if we can do that with the spoon. I haven't yet found a, oh, I think this is gonna work perfectly actually. A tool. So we're not gonna go all the way down. Just as far as the spoon goes. Of course, we're not gonna waste any of this. It's all gonna go back in. Actually, I've never made this before, but you know, let's look at it as we're both learning, okay? Practice makes perfect, and this looks pretty decent to me. You know, if any of you are looking into just presentation-wise, these pieces, you can even make them into, you know, some watermelon water, or, you know, some popsicles. You can use this to make anything else, or just dip it back in there and put it in your fruit bowl. Alright guys, so we're gonna prep our rim here, and we're gonna add some chamoy. Boom, chamoy. A little bit of that. I love this chamoy. It's my favorite brand. Has a little hint of spice in it. Not too spicy. Actually, not spicy at all. It's just, you can have, it has a little kick, a little tiny kick. Now we're gonna add our Tajin. I like to add to my Tajin to my plate just on one side. That way it doesn't get all wet. We're gonna start with our pineapple. Here's our chamoy. Dump the juice out. And I'll just dip it in there, it's okay. Rim it with our chamoy. Then we start rimming it with the Tajin. And I'm pretty sure the fruit already has, the carcasses already have moisture on them. You don't really need the chamoy, but you want that extra flavor. And as you can see, we got our rim here. Really nice. And I ended up just cutting this with a knife. As you can see, it's not a perfect cut, but it works. So that's our pineapple. And let's get it with that chamoy. Also, by the way, I hope you guys are enjoying this video, and if you guys are, please give it a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate that. And also, don't forget to subscribe if you like the video, or every other video that I've posted. Yeah, consider subscribing, guys. I would really appreciate that. Also, it would really help the channel out. So we got our watermelon, and we got our pineapple ready to go and be filled with all our fruit. Okay, take 3. It's really hot in here right now. It is actually summertime, so it's really hot in this room. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the recipe. Like I said, we were learning together, and you could always improvise. You could always make it better. You could always add whatever fruit you like. It's just a matter of thinking, and I didn't think that much. All I wanted was actually the fruit that I like, so, you know, easy peasy. But time for the taste test. I'm gonna go with a cucumber. Deliciousness. It's good. And let's try out a piece of watermelon. Why not? So juicy. See you guys later. Bye. Thanks for watching.